Alright everyone, today we are at Savannah Falls, right on Decatur and Elkhorn. Beautiful gated community with amazing park right here, along with a little basketball playground. And we're gonna turn to the property so you can see the property. This is the property for rent. 2-car garage, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, beautiful place, and amazing backyard with a balcony and patio. Let's go inside and check this out. When you enter the property, you get welcome with the vaulted ceiling entry. And then you have a lot of windows throughout the property that bring a lot of natural light into the property. As you progress, this beautiful kitchen would welcome you. I'm gonna go around so you can see exactly what this kitchen offers. All stainless steel appliances, and also you have that entertainment center right across from your kitchen where you can have your TV and formal living room. Right here you have a laundry room that has natural light coming through, and also there's a sink. That's a plus, right? With all these extra cabinets. You get some closet in here, and then here's the door that goes to that 2-car garage. Very clean. And then there's half a bathroom here. The entire house is actually, as you can see, vinyl laminate. Basically, it's considered luxury vinyl plank. Okay, so let's go to the backyard. As you can see, this area is completely covered. You have a covered patio, and on top of the patio you have a balcony that leads from the master bedroom up there to the balcony. Beautiful backyard, very private, as you can see, because right here is just a street. You don't have any neighbors. Okay, so let's go inside the property and check the rest of the amenities of this wonderful property. So as you go upstairs, you come up to here with this beautiful view from this vaulted ceiling. To your left, we have the master bedroom, very roomy, with all this natural light coming through, and that's the door that goes to the balcony. Moving forward, you have this fully upgraded master bath. With this beautiful standing shower. Here's your restroom, and that's your towel closet, or technically a walk-in closet. Okay. You also have all these extra cabinetry. Look at all these upgraded bathroom faucet, countertop. Pretty much everything in this place is upgraded to new. Alright, so let's get out of the master bedroom and go to the next door bedroom, which has its own bathroom. As you can see, the luxury vinyl plank is actually continuing throughout the property. This is the bathroom inside the other bedroom. Coming out of here, you go to this little hallway. This can be a game station, kids work desk, study desk. Here's another bathroom that get utilized with the other two bedrooms. Another full bath. Okay, which these two bedrooms we utilize. We're getting, rooms are very roomy and also fresh paint, clean, ready to be called home. All right, I'll give you the other angle of this wonderful view coming up. If you guys need more information about this property, you know where to go. Modern Choice Realty and propertymanagement.com, or you can go to mcr-pm.com, or just call us at 702-710-8335. Waiting for the applications. Talk to you guys soon.